In this video, I'll show you how to easily block adult websites on any Android phone. All you have to do is open up settings, in search type DNS, and you will get a private DNS. Select the option, select the private DNS option, and select private DNS provider host name. Type here adult dash filter dash DNS dot cleanbrowsing .org. After typing this, select the save option, and as you can see, adult filter dns.cleanbrowsing.org has been selected and saved. And now just close off here and open Chrome, and Chrome will does not show you any bad websites. As you can see, save search is locked to filter by your network or device. Now you can give phones to your kids without any problem. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.